Good evening, everyone. It's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Maverick X3 XDS Turbo RR. This one's loaded up with a ton of fun accessories. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about those accessories. Of course, the snow track kit that's on there, front bumper, the aluminum doors, mirrors, half windshield, backup camera, device holder, power flip audio roof, fire extinguisher and mount, rear lighting, rear cargo, exhaust. There's the backup camera, rear net. This one's set up pretty good. 435-427-3338. We've got these accessories in stock at Big Pine Sports.